Hey guys, this is part 2 of the hike. If you saw the last one, I absolutely ate it. Yeah, that I fell. It was not good, but this part is going to be a virtual hike with Nature Jim. We talked it out, we're good now. So the rest of it is going to be a nature hike with him. A virtual hike with Nature Jim. Here you go. And then we have this weird girl.
I'm Anderson, okay?
All right, okay. Here we go in our nature walk. We have some plants and animals. Well, not really animals, but we got some plants. And who doesn't love plants? All right, we're going on the next trail. Dogs, no horse riding. And we got our dog Kilo and we're allowed to have him. Okay, that's perfect. As long as Kilo's on it. Oh my gosh, what the heck just happened right there? All right. We got some leaves. We got a pink girl. Ooh.
I'm Anderson.
Hello, Anderson.
Just a tip from the walker back here, I wouldn't touch much of the plants because it could be poison ivy.
Yeah, that's true. All right, I won't touch most of the plants, even though I almost ate one of them. All right. Ooh, I found some type of blue rock.
In the last video, go check that one out.
Yeah, if you did not. Me, Nature Jim,
Yeah.
and Donovan ate it, I heard. That was rough, yeah. Oh my, geez, why is it so slippery? Is it slippery, Anderson?
Yeah.
What?
Down,
Oh.
down here there's a lake and you can
Yeah, we're gonna show you the lake. If you haven't come to Calavera, I think I heard a rattlesnake. Yep, I heard a rattle. Might want to get away from that fast because I definitely heard something that was shaking. Not those ankles
It's
though.
like someone comes out of the bush.
Oh, all right, we got some visitors doing the hike. Oh my gosh, that dog was vicious. He was about to eat Kilo. Well, not really, he was just jumping for joy. All right, that place is blocked off, don't know why. You see a little bit of the lake right there. I'm a perfect narrator. Oh no, I need to go take a pee. This is not good. Nature's bathroom is the plants. Just watering the plants. Anderson, can you hold this? I need to go take a pee.
Okay.
Don't look at me.
So, Nature Jim needs to go take a pee. So I guess I'm holding it. It's very hot outside. Oh, there's the lake right over there. And so I go down. Oh, I just ate it. If you heard that, I just ate it. No! No!
Okay, I'm running.
Give me the camera right now.
No! Okay. We already peed. There he is.
Thank you for giving me the camera. As you can see, there has been a lot of people here from the footsteps. And coming up here, we have a little, whoa, that's a little fort of some sort. Stop stepping on my shoe. And we have like a bike ramp. I'm gonna go up it. Oh gosh, oh geez, I keep hitting the plants. And then you jump off. Oh, geez, that's a butterfly. Ooh. There's some sort of like trail right there, but it's really small. So I don't know what that is. There's a bunch of butterflies out here and all that sort of stuff. Main trail. There's 2 trails. Which one should I go on? Anderson, which trail should I go on?
You should go on
Right or left?
the higher one.
The left?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go down here because you can see the water.
And then the higher one up here.
Don't mind my accent. I don't want to run into snakes because that would not be good. I mean, if you don't harm them, they don't harm you.
Wait, so snakes. So the accent.
Oh, there's the
So you
lake
don't
slash
have an
river.
So if you don't have an accent, snakes hate you?
No.
You said don't mind my accent. I don't want snakes to get me.
No, I just said that because I said water. Weird. I'm from Jamaica, slightly off the coast of Jamaica. You know my buddy is Jim Shorts. He's from Dude Perfect. Yeah, he's my buddy. We got a lot of plants and trees surrounding us.
My name is Jim too.
Yeah. Brothers from a different mother.
Nature Jim. That's a weird name.
Nature Jim. There's a good look at the lake right there. Is it a lake or a river?
It's a river.
It's a lake. You guessed. You chose poorly. Alright, it's a lake. I'm pretty sure, right?
Mom, is it a lake?
I don't know. Oh,
You're not my mom.
yes I am.
No, you're not.
I'm Mama Jim. Call me Mama Jim. No, don't call me that. That's just weird. There's the lake again. Why are you laughing? All right, there's the lake. Stop laughing. I'm trying to narrate this story. Jeez. That's a big tree right there. And then there's a big gorilla right there.
Wait, what?
Wow, the gorilla's chasing me. Oh my gosh, she's scary. Oh, she's pulling my shirt. Oh, I'm choking. Ooh, that's blocked off, but it's a trail of some sort. Just like I said in the other trail. My Instagram is mamajim.com. No, I'm just kidding. That's not real. I don't have an Instagram. Exactly. Now, the trail that we would have gone on, I'm pretty sure we just passed. Oh, it's right here. And it's right, we would have ended up right here if we went on the other trail.
Next time we come here, we're not bringing you.
Why not?
Again,
Why not?
because
You're so mean. You disrespect Mama Jim. You disrespect Jim. The Jim family. I am all the family. I am Mama Jim. I am Papa Jim. I am Brother Jim. Yeah, I'm Jim, the friendly ghost. He lives in Donovan's house. That weirdo, Donovan, you know him? He started the video. Don't know what he was thinking.
hey, that's my brother.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, I'm going to go under here. Yeah. Hi. Nature Jim for you. I don't know what to call it. Oh my gosh, is that a binky right there? That's disgusting. No one drops binkies on a hike, okay? That's just rude. Even though I dropped mine on a walk. That's just not nice. Some people, man. That Donovan kid is so weird.
I don't know. This track is weird.
Alright, now we got some weird plants. I don't know what any of these plants are, even though I'm Nature Jim. Don't know what any of these plants are. The lake is right there. And whoa. I want to jump that, but I don't at the same time because that looks sketchy. There's the lake again. Beautiful lake. Not river, as Anderson said. It's a lake. All my sources point to a lake. And we are almost done. So, hope you had fun with the hike. Took you guys on it.
Let me
And
end with Donovan. Bye,
hey,
Nature
get out of here,
Jim.
Nature Jim. Oh, sorry. Hey, what's up, guys? That Nature Jim is weird. Remember to like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the bell notifications. And hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye-bye.